1999 as amended. I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the underlisted 34 nominees as career ambassadors stroke high commissioners designate. For Abia State, we have Ambassador Mwabiola Ezenwa Chukwuemeka. For Adamawa State, we have Besto Maimuna Ibrahim. Anambra State, we have Enebeji Monica Okochukwu. For Bauchi State, we have Ambassador Mohammed Mahmoud Lele. For Bayelsa State, we have Ndone Sindov Paibi. For Borno State, we have Ambassador Ahmed Mohamed Mongunu. For Cross River State, we have Ambassador Jane Adams Ni Okon Michael. For Delta State, we have Ambassador Clark Omeru Alexandra. For Ebonyi State, we have Chima Jogri Leoma David. For Edo State, we have Oduma Yvonne Ihinosen. Edo State again, we have Wasa Shegun Ige. For Ekiti State, we have Ambassador Adeyemi Adebayo Emmanuel. For Enugu State, we have Ambassador Onaga Ogochukwu Kingsley. For Jigawa State, we have Ambassador Magaji Omar. For Kaduna State, we have Ambassador Muhammad Saidu Dahiru. For Kano State, we have Ambassador Abdul Salam Habus Zayat. For Katsina State, we have Ambassador Shehu Bade. For Katsina again, we have Ambassador Aminu Nasir. For Kebbi State, we have Abubakar Musa. For Kebbi State again, we have Ambassador Haidara Mohammed Idris. For Kogi State, we have Ambassador Bako Adamu Omar. For Kwara State, we have Ambassador Sulu Gambari Olatunji Ahmed. For Lagos State, we have Ambassador Romata Mohammed Omobolanle. For Nasarawa State, we have Ambassador Shaga John Shama. For Niger State, we have Salau Hamza Mohammed. For Niger State again, we have Ambassador Ibrahim Dan Lame. For Ogun State, we have Adiola Ibrahim Mope Lola. Leader, I hope I got the name right. So for Ondo State, we have Ruben Abimbola Samuel. For Osun State, we have Ambassador Akonde Wahab Adekola. For Oyo State, we have Ambassador Arewa Ni Adedokun Esther. For Plateau State, we have Ambassador Gedagi Joseph John. For Rivers State, we have Ambassador Luther Obomode Ayo Kalata. For Taraba State, we have Dan Ladi Yakubu Yaku. For Zamfara State, we have Bedo Dogondagi. While I hope that the Senate will consider and confirm the appointments of the nominees expeditiously, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. These 34 nominees are hereby referred to the Committee on Foreign Affairs to report back to the Senate within the next 1 week. Second, correspondence from Mr. President on the ambassadorial list. Distinguished Senate President, request for confirmation of appointments of non-career ambassadors to High Commissioners designates. In accordance with the provisions of Section 171, Subsection 1, Subsection 2C and 4 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria 1999 as amended, I am pleased to present for confirmation by the Senate the underlisted 31 this time, the other one was 34, 31 nominees as non-career ambassadors / High Commissioners designates. Adamawa State, Senator Grace Bent. Akwa Ibom State, Senator Ita Enang. Anambra State, Ikpazu Victor. Anambra State again, we have Nkechi Linda Uvochukwu. Bauchi State, we have Mahmoud Yakubu. Bayelsa State, we have Philip K. Ikurusi. For Benue State, we have Paul Olga Adiku. There is no Mr. or Mrs. in front, so I'm being careful. I'm calling it as it is here. So Benue State, Paul Olga Adiku. For Cross River State, it's a known name. We have Vice Admiral Ibas Iboite. I'm sure this is the immediate past administrator of Rivers. For Delta State, we have Mr. Reno Omokri. For Edo State, we have Honorable Engineer Abasi Brahima, FMHR. That must be former member of the House of Representatives. You know him? He's a landlord. For Ekiti State, we have Mrs. Erelu Angela Adebayo. For Ekiti State again, we have Barrister Olumiloa Oluwayimika. Am I right? Oh. Barrister Olumiloa Oluwayimika. I don't want to misspell the name from the leader state. It will be unsenatorial. But in front, Olumiloa Oluwayimika Ayotunwa, Mrs. For Enugu State, we have Right Honorable Ogwani Ifeanyi. Ogwani, that must be the former governor, right? For Imo State, we have Barrister Mrs. Chioma Ohakim. For Kano State, we have Lieutenant General Abdul Rahman Bello Dambazao. For Katsina State, we have Honorable Tasiu Musa Maigari. For Kogi, we have Alhaji Abubakar Sanusi Aliu. For Lagos State, we have Olufemi Pedro. For Nasarawa State, we have Barrister Mohammed Obandoma Aliu. For Ondo State, we have very distinguished Senator Jimo Ibrahim, PhD Daga. PhD Daga. Your nomination is noted by the Senate. PhD Warfare. PhD Warfare. Daga. You may take your seat. For Ondo State again, we have Ambassador Joseph Shola Iji. For Osun State, we have Femi Fani-Kayode. For Osun again, we have Professor O. Adewole. For Oyo State, we have Ajimobi Fatima Florence. For Oyo State, we have Lola Akonde. For Plateau State, we have Yakubu Gambo. But anyway, let me read it correctly. For Plateau, we have Yakubu N. Gambo, in case there are two. This one is N. Then for Plateau State again, we have Senator Professor Nora Ladi Dadut. For Rivers State, we have Onweze Chukujinga Okocha, Senior Advocate of Nigeria. For Sokoto State, we have Dr. Kulu Haruna Abubakar. For Taraba State, we have Right Honorable Jerry Samuel Manwe. For Yobe State, we have Adamu Garuba Talba Nagri. Or let me read that again. For Yobe State, we have Adamu Garuba Talba Nangri. Whilst I hope that the Senate will consider and confirm the appointments of the nominees expeditiously, please accept, distinguished Senate President, the assurances of my highest consideration. Yours sincerely, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, President, Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This second list again is referred to the Committee on Foreign Affairs to report back within 1 week. Any petitions? Any petitions? No petitions.
Order. Order.
Yes, Senator Biru.
Thank you, Mr. President, and my distinguished colleagues. My name is Senator Adetokunbo Abiru.